Hello everyone, this is Ren, owner and designer at Blessing by Design. I'm here today to walk you through our simple menu and recipe planner. In this video, I'm going to show you all the templates and features, as well as demonstrate how to add your own recipes to it and any you may find out on the web. Thank you so much for watching. Now let's get started. This is our simple recipe and menu digital planner, which you can get from our website, blessingbydesign.com. This planner features a color palette that is inspired by a bowl of tomato soup. Very foodie. As you can see, this planner has a bunch of tabs along the edges that all link to pages within the planner. But before you start tapping away navigating through your new recipe planner, you first have to make sure that you're in read-only mode by tapping this little icon up here. Otherwise, GoodNotes will think that you're trying to draw on the planner with your finger. Starting from the left, we have this front tab. This tab will always take you back to this front page. The next tab over is the Family Favorites category. Every family has their favorites. The next tab over is the Extras tab. This tab is home to 6 different pre-designed templates, as well as 10 custom templates and 2 blank page templates. From here, you can copy and paste any template you want anywhere in your planner. Next, on the top here, we have 6 blank tabs. These are categories that are personal to you. So you can have a tab for your grocery lists, meal plans, or you could even have recipes for any specific diet, such as keto or gluten-free recipes. Finally, along the side here, there are tabs for each pre-designated category. All of these are pretty self-explanatory, and each of these categories, including family faves, comes with 6 lined recipe templates already in there for you. But as always, with all our digital planners, you can add as many pages as you want, or even delete the empty ones we put in there already. So now that you're somewhat acquainted with your new recipe planner, let's get your recipes inside. There are several ways to add recipes to this planner. You can handwrite them in with your Apple Pencil or stylus. You can type the recipe with the type tool. Or here at Blessing by Design, we from time to time will provide free recipe stickers for recipes that we post to our blog that you can stick right to a blank page in your planner. We also send freebies just to those signed up to our newsletter, so you might want to sign up. Everyone loves freebies. If you happen to find a recipe that you really like that's on the web, you can add that recipe to your planner too. I recommend that you use the online recipe template for this. You'll have to go to the Extras tab, Recipes Unlined, these 3 dots to copy the page, then navigate to the category that you want to put the recipe in. At the page, add page, paste page after. You can go to the recipe and start copying and pasting ingredients. This gives you an offline version of the recipe, and you can also export this page to share with friends and family. I hope you enjoyed this video of our simple meal and recipe planner. Be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon. Bye!